Playtend Games wants the price of their new controller to increment or decrement by a given amount for each variation of the product. Prices are set up for a given price book in the various currencies. To set up price modifiers, configure the given price book, selecting the Price Modifiers tab. The modifier to increment the price is already configured. To set up another, click Create New Price Modifier. Set the type and provide the name. Then enter the decremental values for each of the currencies in this price book. The exact name is critical for the next step, so be sure to copy this value. Now we need to add the price modifier to the variation. We want to add the decrement price modifier to the small variation option. Other modifiers are already set up, so we want to add another, selecting price and pasting in the copied name. Let's do this again, but for the large variation. First, we need to get the exact price modifier name. Now that our price modifiers are all configured, we can rebuild the child products for the controller.